How to cancel an order on Uber Eats. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats app. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So in order to cancel an order on Uber Eats app, all you have to do is simply launch the Uber Eats application and make sure you are signed in into your account. Then you want to go to the Orders tab, which is at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on Orders tab, on the next page you will see this type of interface as well as all of the upcoming orders that you have. If it has not yet been delivered to you, you can actually cancel the order. If the food has already been prepared, it is difficult and you might need to actually pay a certain amount of money. But if the food has not been prepared, then it will not charge you for anything. Now all you have to do is just simply select the option called cancel order. Once you tap on the cancel order button, it will take you to this page. In my case, it says there's a $15 charge to cancel the order. And if you are happy with the payments, then you can just cancel it by tapping on the cancel order option. So that is how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.